All right, drilled out the hole as you can see. A little bit of blowout in the middle, but that's all right. Nobody will ever see that. Button on top, the hole's still very crisp. One thing to note is that as you get close to the two sides meeting, you should really pay attention because that you could over drill the hole here. I got to keep that in mind when I do that for real, to just go very slowly. Anyway, let's see if we can pop the button in. Fits nice, as you can see, and the nut on top. It fits, and then you can use an awl. There are these little grooves on the button to tighten it up. It's hard to see and film this, but eventually you get the idea. It'll stay down nice. Here's the profile. So, all right, time to do this for real.